Hey guys, welcome back to the channel Knowledge Yarn. So today we'll discuss about GK questions and answers on Indian polity and governance. So our first question is, which of the following taxes are imposed and collected by the state government? The option given are estate duty, sales tax, land revenue, all of the above. So the correct answer is all of the above. Option number D. The next question is, which of the article deals with the grants in aid by the union government to the state? The option given are Article 270, Article 280, Article 275, Article 265. So the correct answer is Article 275, option C. The next question is, which of the following article deals with the election of the vice president? Options are Article 64, Article 68, Article 66, Article 62. What is the correct answer? The correct answer is option number C, Article 66. The next question is, who can remove the vice president from his office? The option given are President, Prime Minister, Parliament, Legislative Assemblies of the state. What is the correct answer? The correct answer is option C, Parliament. The term of office of the vice president is as follows. Option A 6 years, option B 4 years, option C 7 years, option D 5 years. The correct answer is option D 5 years. The vice president is the ex officio chairman of Rajya Sabha, Lok Sabha, Planning Commission, National Development Council. The correct answer is option A, Rajya Sabha. Which one of the following article deals with the appointment of Prime Minister and other ministers? Option given are Article 76, Article 74, Article 75, Article 72. So the correct answer is option C, Article 75. The next question is, the Prime Minister is appointed by which of the following? Attorney General of India, President, Vice President, Chief Justice of India. The correct answer is option B, President appoints the Prime Minister. The total number of ministers including the Prime Minister shall not exceed 20% members of Lok Sabha, 10% members of Lok Sabha, 25% members of Lok Sabha, 15% members of Lok Sabha. Which is the correct answer? Option D, 15% members of the Lok Sabha. The Supreme Court of India at present contains the following number of judges. Option are 25 judges, 31 judges, 20 judges, 30 judges. What is the right answer? Option B, 31 judges. Question is, Mr. T.S. Thakur is the dash Chief Justice of India. Which number Chief Justice is he of India? The option given are 41st, 42nd, 43rd, 44th. What is the correct answer? The correct answer is option C, 43rd Chief Justice of India. Which of the following states have no Panchayati Raj Institute at all? The option given are Nagaland, Assam, Kerala, Tripura. So the correct answer is option A, Nagaland don't have Panchayati Raj Institute at all. Which of the following state was the first established Panchayati Raj Institute? Option given are Rajasthan, Andhra Pradesh, West Bengal, Gujarat. The correct answer is option A, Rajasthan. So the next question is, which one of the following article deals with the appointment of judge? The option given are Article 214, Article 217, Article 226, Article 216. So the correct answer is option B, Article 217. The Chief Justice and other judges of High Court are appointed by which of the following? The Prime Minister, Chief Minister, Governor, or the President? The correct option is option D, the President. The fundamental duties were included in Constitution of India by which of the following Amendment Act? The option given are 14th Amendment Act, 44th Amendment Act, 43rd Amendment Act, 42nd Amendment Act. So the correct answer is option D, 42nd Amendment Act. Which of the following article of the Indian Constitution contains fundamental duties? The option are 45A, 51A, 42A, 30B. So the correct answer is 51A, option B. Indian Constitution taken the concept of single citizenship from which country? So the option are USA, UK, Australia, Japan. It is taken from which country? Option B, UK. Who appoints the Advocate General of the state? The option given are Governor of State, Chief Minister of State, Chief Justice of High Court, President of India. So the correct answer will be option A. The Governor of State appoints the Advocate General of State. Who decides whether a bill is a money bill or not? President, Chairman of Rajya Sabha, Speaker of Lok Sabha, Minister of Parliament Affairs. So the correct answer is option C. Speaker of Lok Sabha decides whether a bill is a money bill or not. So moving on to the next question. Which of the following bill cannot be introduced first in the Rajya Sabha? The option given are bill bringing a state under the president rule, money bill, bill pertaining to the removal of president by impeachment, bill proclaiming all the state of emergency arising out of war or external aggression. So the correct option will be option B, money bill. The next question is Article 21A of Indian Constitution deals with protection against arrest and detection in certain cases, right to education, freedom of speech, equality before law. So the correct option is option B, right to education. The Article 21A deals with right to education. The member of the UPSC are appointed by the dash for the term of dash years. What will be the correct answer? So let's see the options. Prime Minister for 6 years, President 6 years, President 5 years, Home Minister 6 years. What will be the correct answer? Option B, President for the term of 6 years. Civil Services Day is observed on which of the following day? The option given are 23rd April, 21st July, 4th November, 21st April. Correct answer is option D, 21 April. The next question is which article of Indian Constitution give the power to the government to make special provision to development of SC, ST, OBC against the Article 15? Which article? The option given are Article 19, Article 29, Article 25, none of this. So the correct answer will be option B, Article 29.